Hello, and thank you for taking the time to check out this brief introductory video. My name is Sean McDonough with Bitstream Foundry, and I'll be conducting a half-day post-conference workshop at SharePoint Fest Denver titled the PowerShell Scripting Workshop for SharePoint Practitioners. The abstract for my workshop appears on the right, but let me spend a couple of additional minutes answering some basic questions you might have about the workshop. First, who should attend this workshop? Well, the workshop was constructed with both administrators and developers in mind. If you administer SharePoint, actively manage SharePoint with PowerShell, or see yourself developing PowerShell scripts for SharePoint now or in the future, then you will find the workshop helpful to you in your endeavors. So when will the workshop take place? The workshop will be held during the morning of Friday, June 2nd, from 9 a.m. until 12:30 p.m. You're probably wondering what I'll be covering. Although I will cover a few things that might be deemed PowerShell basics, the goal of my workshop is to expose you to topics that lean more towards intermediate and advanced areas, especially items that were introduced to PowerShell in versions 4 and 5. For example, we'll spend a chunk of time covering DSC, or desired state configuration, and demonstrate how it can be used to provision and maintain farm-level settings and other SharePoint configuration items. I'll also show you how to control and obtain information from SharePoint through web services and other web-based endpoints. All of the information we'll be covering will be delivered through a combination of slides, active script walkthroughs, demonstrations, and live prodding conducted from within a PowerShell editor. And arguably the best part of all of my workshop is this: you get to keep the script samples after the workshop for use and modification in your own SharePoint environments. Each of the scripts that I've put together attempt to do something useful with regard to SharePoint, so I'm sure you'll find the scripts to be of value as is, or as a starting point for your own scripting tasks. I hope you'll come join me on Friday, June 2nd for my PowerShell scripting workshop for SharePoint practitioners. In the meantime, please feel free to reach out to me if you have questions about the workshop and whether or not it might be a good fit for you. Just send a note to sean@bitstreamfoundry.com and I'll get back to you with an answer. Thanks again for your time, and I hope to see you on Friday, June 2nd.